Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you on the 97 Grand Cherokee 4.0 liter four-wheel drive. I'm going to show you how to take apart the dry rod, or tie rod, on the driver's side. This will be right here, obviously. Going to be 19 millimeter. Bust that out. Bam. That's taken out. This side is going to be attached to the pitman arm, just like this. 19 millimeter hammer. Bam. It's out. So we're going to disregard that. I'm going to put in the new one real quick, as you can see right here. Alright, bam, pushed in the bushing a little bit. I have not put any grease into it. Putting the castle nut onto it. I do have a cotter pin, but that's back in the truck, so screwing that on. Nice and good. Here's my impact on #1 setting. Good enough for now, because I'm just putting this on to put in the backyard, because I don't even have a grease fitting on the back of it, which there will be one right here. Alright, as you can plainly see, I got the driver's side in. Top bolt is still a little loose, so all you gotta do, tighten that up a little bit. And I really should be using a 8 on top, but I ain't got an 8 millimeter with me, because you'll see this on top, and you'll see that, so I'm going to tighten that up just so gently. As you can see, it's coming up. Really should be using my impact on this, but I don't have my adapter with me. And you can see it's probably moving just like that, so I'm out the switch. Okay, this is going to be a 15 millimeter, but this is also going to be a 7. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your impact on the 15, or whatever you use, or ratchet your 15. This one just regular. This is a 7 on top, so that's going to spin, but I used channel locks. Hold on top, it don't take very long, just a couple of spins and you're good. And that's how you do it. Then it's going to be 19 millimeter on the lug nuts as well. So that's how you take apart your tie rod and put it back on.